Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can start trial CapCut Commerce Pro. So there's a new feature. This is the CapCut Commerce Pro. So you can design to sell your design to advertise, sell your product, for example. Let's start by opening CapCut.com and try to sign in. Log in with your account if you don't have one, or this is your first time. You can register in order to use all the features in this CapCut web version. So let's start. So here you can click this CapCut logo at the top left corner of your screen, and here we go. This is the CapCut Commerce Pro, end-to-end content creation platform built for commerce scale and performance. Click it. Now here we go. Try shoppable video with CapCut Commerce Pro. Start your free trial to unlock this tool and get free credits. No credit card required. Plus you can explore all the other features available during the trial. So you can generate video, make a professional marketing videos in a minute, generate product image, make professional product images with diverse backgrounds in a few clicks, and you can use this AI avatars. You can choose or create custom avatars to showcase your product in style. So click start my free trial. By continuing, you agree to start a free trial with CapCut account and accept TOS and privacy policy. Start. So you can give the information about your birthday first, and here we go. You can click here to switch to back to CapCut and go back to CapCut Commerce. So here we go. There is ready to create something new. You can use a Christmas exclusive here, one-click video generator, avatars, image studio, or create new design. So here the canvas and so on. And also there is a trending on TikTok here. This is like example for you. Or you can pick your product and start creating. This is the demo, and so on. There's a video generator, image studio, inspiration, that trending on TikTok, smart tools like AI model, smart crop, and so on. And this is the analytic, one dashboard for your post across social media platform, publisher, asset, and product. And also you can invite your friend, refer a friends to experience this CapCut Commerce. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also press the button below. See you in the next video.